Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mess. Today I am sharing with you guys an evening clean with me. So this was after dinner. Everybody is starting to wind down for the evening. It was during the work week, so school and work and everything. Before we continue, I do want to apologize if you can tell I still have a raspiness in my voice. I am feeling better, but I had lost my voice last week and it has taken a little bit of time for it to come back. So it's still not fully recovered, but I sound a whole lot better than I did last week and the week before that. So normally in the evenings, I like to get everything cleaned up right after dinner. You'll see me taking down some birthday decor. Last week was my daughter's birthday, and I had not gotten around to taking down the decorations, so I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to get that done.
Yeah, it's true, you're all I want.
So for us in our home during the work week and during the school week, things are a little bit different as far as my husband always makes dinner during the week. My husband makes all of our meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, you name it. My husband does it. I do not cook. I just clean, guys. So while I am cleaning up the mess from dinner, he is getting the kids bathed and ready for bed. Now, I know some people like to clean up the dinner mess after their kids have gone to bed, but for myself, I know that if I don't clean it right after dinner, then once I get the kids down for bed and everything, that's when I start winding down. And I honestly, during the week, I do not want to stay up to clean. So I'm curious to know, how is it for you during the weekday? Do you like to clean your dinner mess right away, or do you like to wait until everybody is asleep and you like to clean everything up at night? So here I'm just putting away leftovers. Usually I use my leftovers for lunch the next day, and then I'm just getting rid of all of the trash. I just take everything off the plate and go ahead and put it in a grocery bag, and then I throw it away. So I'm just getting everything ready so that I can go ahead and wash dinner's dishes. So you'll see that stuff that I was gathering in the corner there. I'm leaving that out because my husband was letting some meat thaw out and just leaving all of the stuff that he needs for the next day that he's going to be working on. So he has been selling Puerto Rican empanadas, which if you don't know what they are, it's kind of like a savory turnover. And so he's been making those. He's been making ground beef and chicken ones. So you'll see that stuff I will leave out because he wanted that to thaw out for the next day. So normally during the work week, I just try to focus on getting the kitchen clean after dinner and the living room area. And sometimes if I have time to sit down and get a load of laundry done, I will. In this case, on this particular night, I didn't. I decided to go ahead and take down those decors that you saw me taking down.
The dark gets lonely. Now I see violet. I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see you're blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet. I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
So then, once the kitchen was clean, I went ahead and lit my Bath and Body Works candle in the scent Leaves. Oh my gosh, this candle is amazing, and I bought it a few years back, and I did not buy it last year, but I was talking to my sister about it, and she actually just gifted it to me. So I was so excited, and it just smells like fall. It smells amazing. So once the kitchen was clean, I lit that just to get the house smelling good. And then I did go ahead and sweep. I do sweep a little bit every night, even though I run my robot vacuum. And that is because I like to just make sure that I get the big stuff first, and then the robot vacuum gets all of the little stuff and the dust. So I just want to make sure that the floor is really clean. So I'll go ahead and I'll sweep in the kitchen and in the areas where there might be food. So under the dining room table and things like that, just to make sure that I am getting the floor really clean. Then I went ahead and took down the last of the party decorations that were towards the front of the house, and that was it for my evening cleanup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.